Yes, this is much better, eh? Onyx, hello. Happy birthday. Yes, happy birthday to Lindsay. Happy birthday to hello Onyx again. And Moy again. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you. To Tiarna, big shout out also. Thank you guys. Not getting happy birthday. It's not, no, it's not my birthday. It's Lindsay. Yes. Hello, Fang. How are you? Nice to see you also. And Charna and Moy, thank you so much. Big shout out to all of you. Happy birthday to everyone. Thank you so much. Did you experience about copyright? Because maybe I will gonna copyright about that songs. But that songs is came from, also from YouTube. So I don't know. Yes, thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Ging, I will be right back. Going to take a video. Sure, Moy. Thank you so much. And Charna, happy birthday. You're late. Oh, yes. Fangi, hello. How are you, Fangi? And Jerry, how's your day again? Thank you so much for dropping by. Oh, okay. Actually, I have one copyright, but it says that it's not a strike, but I disputed it and I need to wait um, until December 27 if that the person who have that song will gonna be ignore or they will gonna be accept my dispute. So I need to wait until December January 27, but now it's just only January 19, and then now I have a copyright. So I don't know if I need to dispute or not. But it says the other one before it's not a copyright strike. My favorite color is pink, yellow, orange, and green, and also blue. Take away regarding So, wow, I need to be careful, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, Ging, can you watch my new video? Sure, I will watch because I'm just looking about copyright, ah. Oh, yes, I know I have a copyright, so I need to dispute that. Or else it will gonna delete my channel if having a multiple strike, but I guess this is only one of my strike is not considered a strike, one of my copyright, and this one I guess it will gonna be considered a strike. So I don't know. Did you win Cosmic about that? Did you win Cosmic about that copyright? Okay. Actually, I'm not yet monetized. So okay, Cosmic, I will. Yes, you have already lots of subscriber, eh? Yes, hello, that knows. How are you also? Thank you, that's not. How are you? Thank you for dropping by and chat with me. I really appreciate that. Yes, 2 years later, eh? This is a plane. Oh, some of your accounts have as 20 strike, but they are not deleted your account, Cosmic. Hello, Moy. How are you? So, how about your others with a lots of strike? Did the YouTube deleted your channel because you have lots of copyright? Hello, Ariel. How are you? Nice to see you. How's your day, Ariel? Thank you so much. Hello, CPM. How are you? How's your day? Big shout out to CPM, to Moy, to Cosmic, to Ariel. Big shout out to you guys, to Datnos. Big shout out also. Thank you so much for dropping by and have a blessed day to all of you. To my two likers and for viewers, big shout out to everyone. How's your day, guys? Thank you so much for dropping by. Hello, Mila. How are you? Good. I got one deleted account. It got 100 strike and I got cook. Oh, that's why you have. No, I got one deleted account. It got 100 strike. Yes, my main account got hacked by me. Okay. I don't know how to hack either. So maybe. Milagros, hello. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. Thank you so much, Cosmic, for your, for sharing your experience. Maybe I will not bothered anymore. Hello, Mila. Thank you so much. And La, big shout out also again. Inono, hello. How are you? Oh, I'm good, CPM. I'm just worried about that copyright when I do this live. So that's why I'm just asking to Cosmic. Hello, Andrea, my sister in Christ. How are you guys? Thank you so much for dropping by. I really appreciate your kindness, guys. Thank you so much. Wow, to my 2 likers and 8 viewers again, big shout out. How's your day, guys? Mm-hmm. What do you mean it's just the wind? Thank you guys. Yes, hello love. And okay, Andrea again. I'm happy to see your beautiful face shine. Thank you so much and Cosmic and I come every day. Yes, I know you came every day, ah. Thank you so much guys for dropping by. To my 3 likers and 7 viewers, again big shout out. Hoping that you will gonna enjoy my live and me too. I will gonna enjoy talking to you guys. Mm-hmm. You change your profile picture. I miss talking to you. Yeah. Oh, well, who miss? Who changed profile picture? Cosmic? Yes. CPM also. Yes. Hello, love. I'm still in Disneyland. Oh, okay. Wow, that's nice. How many days are you in Disneyland, eh? Cosmic and CPM, thank you so much. Hello, Moy. How are you? What is happening, CPM? Me and Cosmic. Thank you, guys. What? Mila is suspicious. Mila is a Filipino. Cosmic. Don't worry. Mila is a Filipino. Yes. And Moy again. Hello, Moy. Thank you so much, guys. Wow. Okay, love. Coming back tomorrow. Okay, see you next time, love. Yes, enjoy your vacation. And Moy again. Yes, back to home. Wow, that's nice. Wow, that's nice, guys. Oh, you have a memory of peanut, eh? Wow. Okay, to my 3 likers and 6 viewers, big shout out. Thank you so much for dropping by. Take good care of yourself and have a blessed day to everyone. Mm-hmm. Hello, literally. How are you? Nice to see you. Wow. Okay, I'll leave it. You don't want me here. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, Mila, I'm playing games and watching you. Okay, bro, I get a memory pinag. Cosmic, I'm just want to talk to CPM. Hello, Moy, how are you? And CPM, thank you so much. What's the CPM talk to Mila? Literally, hello, hello, literally, how are you? Nice to see you. And Cosmic also. Mila, oh, okay, I leave if you don't want me here. I love, okay, love is, no, I'm talking about I'm going back home. Okay. Oh, take good care of yourself while on your way. And also Mila and CPM, literally calls me CPM. Wow. Sorry, I'm back. I'm gonna change my name. Or you're gonna change your name, Mila? Okay. Okay, CPM, love. Okay, thank you so much. And Cosmic, wow, thank you so much again. Thank you to all of you. Do you have work tomorrow? Yes, I have work tomorrow, CPM. What do you mean, bro? What is happening? Nothing, I don't know. So to my 4 likers and 1 viewers, again, big shout out. Thank you so much for dropping by. And I really appreciate your kindness and effort to chat with me. Mm-hmm. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, Mila, thank you. And also, CPM and Moy, thank you, guys. Oh, I have lots here, eh. And then, CPM and Mila, thank you also. Hello, please no spam. Yes, thank you so much. Yes, Moy, change. Thank you to my 4 likers and 4 viewers. Hey, wait, I have an announcement. What's that? Rules, no war, no propaganda, no word comments, no hating, no spamming. Very people, be kind, be civil, and like and subscribe. Don't unsubscribe. Okay, I will pin this. Thank you. Sorry, thank you so much. Cosmic and Love. Hello, good. Wow, nice. Yes, I can change my name. You can change your name. I guess you need to go to your settings, to your to edit. Yes, 14 days. Bye, Moy. Thank you so much. Mila, probably you changed your name so much. Okay, 14 days. Oh, yeah, maybe. Sip, it's not comic, it's cosmic. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hello. Thank you, guys. Wow. Okay. Guys, sorry guys, but I have only 15 more minutes left because I need to go, okay? See you tomorrow. Yes. Sorry about that. To my 6 likers and 3 viewers, again, big shout out. Thank you so much for dropping by and have a blessed day to all of you guys. Yes. Thank you guys. for dropping by. Yes, that's why I feel it's most awkward. That's why I want to end this live, guys. Okay, guys, I guess I need to end this live, okay? See you tomorrow again, okay? It's look like this live is not nice today. So, see you tomorrow and have a blessed day to all of you. It's look like you are not, what I mean is, you will not fix this by just keep argumenting, okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.